I've talked to my lawyer, I've talked to my girlfriend, but that's my absolute worst fear through all of this. I told him that with the intent to go over, and I don't honestly know if I would have talked to him about it and revealed it, but I know that now I wanted nothing but to actually talk to him about this, and I understand that I might not be able to for however long, and that the consequences might be more far-ranging than that, but I swear that that was not a threat to his immigration status, and I didn't mean it as one. It was a comment I made out of fear.
Right. Anything else from anyone else?
Your Honor, I would just say information.
Just one second. Any questions with regards to facts?
The consequences of violating any conditions imposed upon him. And lastly, Judge, he's been admonished as to what this court will do and what what the court's tolerance level is for any violations, and that he will be held fully accountable if he does violate, and if this court does not play around. I know that, and he's been admonished as well, that this court does believe in equity and justice, and he understands that violating any terms and conditions that the court would impose upon him, what the court's going to do if he does violate those conditions. And Your Honor, my client's 21 years old. Again, he's a full-time college student. He's working. He is actively engaged in mental health treatments on a weekly basis. He has never been in trouble before, Your Honor, and respectfully, we ask that the court grant a term of 8 years deferred adjudication, or in the alternative, 8 years community supervision, Judge. We do not believe he is an ongoing threat to this community.
And I took all of that in consideration, as well as the PSI report, and as well as your statement. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $3,000 fine, time, and money to run concurrent. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right, good luck to you.
Judge, before we end this, if I may, could we also have that no contact order that's part of the plea agreement attached, please?
No, I said no contact with the complainant.
Sorry, I missed it. Sorry.
No problem.
Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes.
I don't know what court's policy is. May my client's mother give him one last hug? It might be some.
No, they don't allow that.
Okay.